Welcome back to Car Spot, the place where car lovers meet the latest beasts on the road. If you're passionate about raw power, stunning designs, and automotive thrills, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay connected. Today, we're diving into something truly special, the 2025 Dodge Charger Scat Pack. Dodge has always been about muscle and attitude, and with the 2025 Scat Pack, they're proving once again why they're at the top of their game. Let's talk power first. Under the hood, the 2025 Scat Pack roars with a 6.4-liter Hemi V8, pumping out an impressive 485 horsepower. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, the ride is both thrilling and surprisingly smooth. Dodge has fine-tuned the performance to ensure faster acceleration and sharper handling, a dream for those who crave both speed and control. Moving to the design, Dodge has kept that iconic Charger look but with some futuristic tweaks. The 2025 Scat Pack has a more aggressive front fascia, wide body stance, and a new LED light bar that stretches across the rear, giving it a modern, yet unmistakably bold appearance. The updated aerodynamics don't just look good, they genuinely improve stability at high speeds. Inside, it's a blend of muscle and tech. Premium materials wrap the cabin, from the sporty suede seats to the carbon fiber accents on the dashboard. The 12.3-inch digital cluster and Uconnect 5 system offers seamless connectivity, making sure the driving experience is as smart as it is powerful. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. Dodge has packed in advanced features like adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and automatic emergency braking, ensuring you not only drive fast but drive safe. What really makes the 2025 Scat Pack special is that it stays true to its roots. In a time when many muscle cars are moving to electric, Dodge delivers one more love letter to V8 fans with raw, unfiltered power. It's loud, it's proud, and it's built for those who want to feel every second behind the wheel. That's it for today's look at the 2025 Dodge Charger Scat Pack. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment your thoughts, and of course, subscribe to Car Spot.